What's up, New York? I'm Jesse. I'm 17, and Queens is my home. Listen up. This is not Cool Island. This is the subway. There should be no surfing or riding outside of trains under any circumstances. Social media is not worth your life. Ride inside, stay alive.
Transfer is available for the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
One of my friends, they subway surf, and I know his family definitely worries about that.
You could literally lose your life from that, and that's really dangerous.
If I ever heard about my friends trying to do something like that, I would stop them because it's fatal.
Listen.
Listen. Listen.
Listen.
Listen.
Listen.
Ride inside, stay